ಹಲೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೇತ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೊಂಥರ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆನ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು. ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Let's hope how it all goes, and it's a 3-day affair also, and we want to kill it, and let's go check out the place. Finally we were heading back, so we saw few students going to school, and I was so surprised to know the fact that how come these guys are going to school where entire India there's a lockdown for schools as well. So can you let me know what's happening in your school actually?
Here in Goa, the cases are very low.
Okay.
So our government has told to open schools from 21st November.
Okay.
Okay, so our schools have started schools with proper sanitation practices.
Okay.
So we are already safe over, and we are taking thermal samples, then that oxygen test also. So here proper sanitation has been done. So we think that we are safe over here.
So what you guys are studying actually?
Science. He is 11th science, we are 12th science.
Well, stay safe. Okay. And all the best. Okay. Do well. Bye. After a long walk, it's been 2 kilometers now, and we still didn't figure out where the place is yet. And all of a sudden, we saw something here. I'll just show you that. I was too tired, but all of a sudden, after seeing this, I'm too excited now to figure out how this place is also, but I'm too nervous. Gate crashing is not an easy thing though, but doing it, let's see how it works and let's crack it. Yeah. So yeah, finally we have reached the destination, and still we don't know what's going to happen inside, and that's the destination. We are here and really excited though, but really nervous also because this everyone can't do it and we are doing it. Yeah. So let's check out how it is. Come on. And yeah, it was kind of a goosebump feel that we actually had. We got in and we tried getting in. We told what is the name has to be told, and somewhere or the other you will have this nervousness because it's not an easy thing to just gate crash something. And I did it, and you're gonna explore each and everything at the Lalit Golf and Spa Resort, Goa. So yeah, finally we are near the room, and I don't know how exciting it would be, but we have to check out the room, guys. We have come all the way from Bangalore to visit this place, and I'm also excited. I'm sure you also would be excited to see how this goes out. Just come on. So yeah, finally we are here inside the room, and a long waited destination for me especially, and my cameraman Ronaldo has been visited a couple of times though, but this is the first time visit for me. I've got lot many things to explore, visit, wish people, hang out, lot many things, no, Goa is just not just one thing. It's multiple things and multiple opportunities that you would get here. But yeah, I need to get freshen up now, and I need to just explore everything. Let's do it, guys! Well guys, this bag is full of surprises actually. Though I'm not a foodie, but let's explore what's there in this goodie actually. So let's check that out. So we have lace, and yeah, most importantly, This is the must, guys, because without this, I don't think we can explore anything and move out. So sanitizer, mask, thanks to these guys. Again, Lays, Bhujias, peanuts. Oh my god. Again, Lays. Oh my god, Dairy Milk, Polo, cashew nuts, badam, Kit Kat. Again, a mixture snack. Oh, hide and seek. Finally, juice appears here. Good Day biscuits. Oh, Coke, Tic Tac, Polos, and finally Sprite, guys. These guys are mind blowing. Can you just imagine? I don't think I can have it, but my person will really have it and he will enjoy the feast over here. And there's a lot many things to explore, and really thanks for these guys for giving so many things. And this the first day, there are a lot many things to explore for the next couple of days. Let's do it, guys, and please keep watching us. And yeah, so well, finally we are inside Lalit Hotel, and it is a grand success, but I can't tell you this until we finish the next couple of days as well. We did it. We finished our morning rituals such as breakfast and afternoon rituals such as lunch also, but people were staring at us, and you know why? Because I've got a long beard also, so I will be the main attention over there. But I don't know what people would have been thinking, but let's see what will happen the next couple of days. And there's a lot many things happening in the evening also, so we'll keep you posted and we'll keep you updated as well. And yes, finally we are so excited for the one of the best event in the wedding is Mehendi, where you don't know, we get to see lot many people, and especially why we tend to go out, look out, you know whom we are looking at over there. So let's go check out what's happening at the Mehendi event right now, and we're gonna explore many more things over there. Yeah. If you're gate crashing a wedding, but you can't miss this kind of culture anywhere. So hats off to you guys, and thanks for playing for whatever we have asked for it. And really thanks, and you guys were really great. Yeah. What a day it was. It was amazing. From the day we started, the goosebumps we had, gate crashing, people asking us from where, what, how, answering each and everything, having the best of the best lunch at the Lalit, and attending one of the biggest and the best event, which is Mehendi. I mean, the day was amazing, and this will be cherished forever. And yeah, still 2 more days are there. There might be more than things happening around, so it's time for us to explore many more things. And yeah, I'm still not tired, but I'm too excited for the next couple of days. Welcome back, guys. We are on this day 2 of the gate crashing of the wedding. We just had our breakfast, and we are heading to explore places in Goa right now. And there are multiple places, which is Baga Beach, and there are a couple of forts as well, river cruises. Just staying at this place is just for us to stay and explore other places as well. And we'll see what we can do there, and you can just look into it and explore a lot many things with us. So finally guys, we are at Baga Beach over here, and it's really exciting to be part of one of the most exciting beaches in Goa. We're gonna try few local cuisines here. There are a hell lot of things over here to try out. So this is the best time to visit because we are also sweating out here, but it's worth it. But yeah, just now we have reached here, so we're gonna try few things over here. After a long walk at Baga Beach, we have finally found a place which is the best I can tell you over here. And you can see the food right in front of me, one of the best shacks in the beach. And I've got Goan chili chicken over here and 2 rotis also. It's time for me to belt, and I will also introduce to few people over here who will give you the best of the best services in terms of each and everything. So I'm really glad to meet one of the best person who serves the best things over here. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಾಂಡು ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹೈ ಪಾಂಡು.
ಹಲೋ.
ಸೊ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಯಾರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪಾಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾನು 6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
6 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ಸು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಪಟ್ಟೆ.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೋನಾಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ, ಲೋ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
So you guys come to Xavier's Cafe. Don't forget to meet Pandu over here, because if you meet Pandu, he'll just make things the best, I can tell you. Yeah. And guys, who doesn't love hookahs here, man? Yeah, again, I can't just cherish this moment anytime, and I have one more person here. I have Jagu with me. Jagu prepares hookahs for everyone over here. I don't know what to tell about this hookah, but this is completely different from Bangalore. And Jagu is also part of Xavier's Beach Cafe. Jagu is right next to me. Hi Jagu.
हाय सर.
Jagu, आप क्या क्या बनाते हो यहाँ पे Xavier's Beach Cafe में? हुक्का फ्लेवर्स के बारे में थोड़ा बता सकते हैं आप?
हाँ बताएगा ना, सब फ्लेवर सब बनाता हूँ. डबल एप्पल मिंट, स्ट्रॉबेरी, पांडसना, कीवी, ऑरेंज, सेक्स ऑन द बीच, ब्रेंड ब्रिजन, नाइट क्वीन, ये सब बहुत सारा फ्लेवर है हमारे पास. अच्छा है, बना के देता है, फ्रेश बना के देता है.
After Pandu, I'm really glad to meet one more person here who's exactly right from my native place, and his name is Nagraj. Nagraj is a guy who massages people over here. He massages in such a way that you forget things completely. And right now I have Nagraj with me. Hi Nagraj.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಭಾಳ ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್?
ನಾವು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಪಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತ. ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಹೆಡ್ ಮಸಾಜ್, ಫುಟ್ ಮಸಾಜ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಾಜ್, ಫುಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಸಾಜ್. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಭಾಳ ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ನಮಗೂ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಗೋವಾ, ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವೇ ಟು Baga Beach. Xavier's Beach Cafe is your destination over here, and you meet Nagraj and he'll just cure all your things over here. Guys, this is just amazing. Nagraj is just making me forget Bangalore and making me feel like settling in Goa. I wish it would have happened, but guys, you have to reach out to Nagraj for the massage at Xavier's. So after a long tiring, not for me but for Ronaldo, aka Panda, who's been with me for past 2 days, who have shot the completely and is getting his massage done. So I have to take care of him so that I can explore many more things. Please take care of yourself. Long tiring day from A to B to B to A. We found one of the best beach shacks over here, and now I have Mr. Xavier with me. This is one of the best beach shacks, Xavier's Beach Cafe's owner. Hi Xavier.
Hello, how are you?
I'm really doing great, Xavier. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Tell me about the cafe, Xavier.
Okay. In this cafe, we serve Goan food, Indian, Chinese, continental, and we also give offers in the beers. And we serve the best hookah.
Okay, so it's been a long gap actually due to coronavirus. Tell me about something. How did you face? What were the challenges you have to go through?
The business is very slow now, but little it's coming. Yeah.
Okay, so I heard with one of your person here that this cafe is opened recently post coronavirus. So tell me about something about it. How are you managing to get people into your cafe now?
We are managing. We are giving offers in beers. We advertise a fresh fish down there. So by giving offers, also people come. Yeah, and we don't charge GST also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have Prakash here, who's made one of the best cocktails here. And can you tell something about this cocktail? It looks really amazing, but I really want to know what you have added into it.
LIT है और इसमें लेमन जूस जाता है और आइस क्रश जाता है और ट्रिपल शेक, मैकडोल वाइट रैम, रोमन वोडका, टकीलास, जीन सब जाता है और हमारे पास बहुत सारा कोकटेल भी है, इससे भी अच्छा बनता है और बहुत सारे होटल हैं.
So it's high time that I'm not able to look at it, but it's time to consume it. Guys, this is amazing. I'm not even kidding. You guys have to try. Come and meet Prakash, and Prakash is gonna make one of the best cocktails and mocktails for you guys. Cheers. After a long tired day at Baga, we have reached to Chapora Fort, one of the best forts in Goa. So it's time for us to explore, and we are here, and let's do it, guys. And don't think that I'm tired, but I'm still energetic. But yes, let's do it. After climbing this fort, which is Chapora, we just found something amazing right here, and you can see the amazing view from this fort. It's a top view of Chapora. You can view the entire Baga beach right from here. I think you one jump from here and you would land up in Baga. That's how it looks, and that's how it is amazing over here. And this is one of the lifetime memories that you would sit here and watch this view. Leaving the wedding place right in the morning at the South Goa and reaching to Baga Beach in the afternoon was one of the best experience I could tell you. And after this, we went to Chapora Fort also, and we decided we can't leave Baga Beach anymore because Goa wakes up in the night. And now I've got Tahir Khan, and you can see the good looking, the delicious food here. And I've got Tahir Khan also, who's the head chef at Xavier's, and he's going to explain me each and everything, what is added into it, what are the ingredients, and what are the dishes that he prepares at Xavier's. Hi Tahir.
हाँ, मैं जेवियर शेक में काम कर रहा है 15 साल हो गया मुझे. मेरा गोवा में एक्चुअली हो गया 20 साल. मैं 20 साल से काम कर रहा है. तो 20 साल से अब काम कर रहा है. मैं जेवियर में बहुत साल से काम कर रहा है. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस 20 साल का है. मैं जब खाना बनाता है बहुत कुछ खाना अच्छा होता है हमारा. ऐसे बहुत सा कस्टमर हमारा खाना खा के जाता है, नाम करता है। इसलिए मैं अच्छा खाना बनाता, आप लोग को आज भी मैं खाना बना के दिया। आप टेस्ट करो, आप लोग कितना भी अच्छा खाना रहेगा।
आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आप क्या क्या बनाए इस पे?
मैं ये बनाया है गोन पुलाव।
Okay.
जो प्लेट में है वो है गोन पुलाव, और जो बॉल में है वो है चिकन साकोती गोन, और एक गोन ब्रेड।
Guys, I think it's time for us to build this food because I can't just wait looking at it, but it's time for us to eat, enjoy, and drink because Goa never sleeps, it wakes up only in the night.
We call pav. It's a very crunchy and stuffy with butter.
Okay.
We stuff this before serve you.
Yeah.
Special authentic sakuti.
Okay.
So make it with coconut base
Okay.
and Goan special masala.
Guys, I have no words to speak for this dish. I think this is amazing. I don't know what hands do they have, but it's just amazing. You guys have to try it once you're at Xavier's. And yes, we had one of the best dinners also, and I've got the person who owns the Xavier's Beach Cafe here, and I've heard a lot about him. His employees were speaking lot many things about him, but I somewhere felt without having him on our show, this would not benefit, or I don't think we would really do any sort of justice here. But yes, finally I have him here. Hi sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. In fact, I've come afternoon also. Now, the reason I've come here because of the vibe that you have here actually. So, one thing I want to ask you, your employees speak a lot about you. What is that magic that you have done to your employees?
It's nothing, it's gift from the God.
That's what, sir. I was telling you, you guys have created a magic at your place. Your employees speak a lot about you. And as you mentioned, it's a God's gift, is what you are trying to tell. But other than that, there's many other things that you have done, many things to your employees. And I'm really thankful, or in fact, this is my first visit to Goa actually. And I'm really happy that I visited your cafe. I don't know what to tell, but is that anything you want to tell our viewers?
That is a thank you very much. And we have to take care all the people India, because Indian people coming every year and every month. So that's why we can get a business from Indians. And thank you very much.
So starting the day with leaving the wedding place and heading to Baga Beach, Chapora Fort and few other places as well. But again, we were still back to Baga Beach because the hospitality Xavier's have taken care of us in such a way that I have no words to tell. Let's not forget guys, because Goa never sleeps in the night, and I will also not sleep in the night because Goa awakes only in the night. And let's groove to some music, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. After a long wait, we are yet to finally witness one of the best thing ever, but for me it's quite nervous, but I don't know how I would do it, but I would surely do it. And this will be one of the biggest gate crashing for us, and keep following us and you will know what's happening behind. Yeah. And yes, we are at the entrance of the wedding, and you can see behind me the wedding is happening around, and I'm really excited to meet them because this is the first time that we are being part of a destination wedding actually. We did gate crash a wedding in Bangalore, but this will be a memorable one, and this will be the first time that we have crossed the destination. And now it's time for us to go meet them, talk to them and reveal who we are. I don't know what will happen. Guess what guys, we finally did it, and I'm really happy to share this because This was one of the best gate crashing for us. Both the groom and the bride looked really happy and they were quite surprised also to know who these guys were. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and share, and do let us know also if you have any sort of gate crashing, and we will be there. And yes, this is Chet from the Gate Crashers signing off. Before I forget, stay safe and stay home also, because no, the pandemic is still not over. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.